YUNZII has been a longtime player in the keyboard scene, and the recent AL75 release is one of the many examples of the said trend. The AL75 is a gasket-mounted, 75% layout, hot-swappable aluminum keyboard with a tri-mode connection. Priced around 110, it feels hefty and premium with a clean design look. Also included with the board is a blue-gray tactile switch that's pretty smooth right on the get-go with a pretty heavy bump, and surprisingly pretty loud. I'll give you guys a quick listen. I say the AL75 is a decent and solid pre-built keyboard. If you like the aesthetics and not planning to do any in-depth customizations, the AL75 is worth the consideration.